Did you know that more than 100 million Americans own firearms, and that number is growing daily with record-breaking purchases of firearms? Many are using guns to enjoy time with their families while participating in a variety of recreational activities like competitive shooting sports, backyard plinking, and hunting. Regardless of how long or why you own firearms, we all have the shared responsibility to learn and diligently apply safe gun handling practices. Because we treat every firearm as if it was loaded, understanding and practicing firearm safety in every situation means following some basic rules of firearm safety. First, you always want to keep the firearm pointed in a safe direction. Always keep your finger off the trigger until you're ready to shoot. And always keep your firearm unloaded until you're ready to use. These rules should be carefully explained and demonstrated to new shooters, especially children, by parents and mentors to set a good safety example. Knowledge of basic gun safety rules, training in the proper application of these rules, and learning to treat guns with respect is paramount to firearm safety. Regardless of where you're participating in shooting sports, albeit at the range or while afield hunting, chamber flags are an added measure of safety that can be used with your firearm at rest, on the firing line, while transporting, or during storage. Chamber flags make it really simple to visually confirm that the chamber of the firearm is clear and in an unloaded condition. As an example, this firearm is at rest here at the range. The magazine is out and the bolt is back, giving someone that is experienced with firearms a visual opportunity to confirm that the firearm is unloaded and in a safe condition without needing to handle the firearm. For those that are novice to firearm handling, they may not know how to visually identify if a firearm is in an unloaded condition. The chamber flag is a bright insert that rests in the chamber of the firearm that provides a physical tool that makes it quick and easy to identify that the firearm is unloaded. It also gives a quick visual assurance that the action of the firearm is open by sliding into the barrel and action of the firearm. Chamber flags are not just popular with range safety officers. In some situations, like private gun ranges or competitions, chamber flags are a safety requirement. And although chamber flags are highly visible and extremely effective devices, one should always practice the basic rules of firearm safety. Chamber flags are simply an additional security device that is not to be used as a replacement for a case, a safe, or other security device, and simply serves as an additional layer of firearm safety. Using chamber flags is simple. First, remove the magazine or open the floor plate and unload any live ammunition. Open the bolt and examine the chamber to assure that no live ammunition is present. Unload the firearm if necessary. Third, engage the mechanical safety if one is present. Next, place the chamber flag in the empty chamber. Chamber flags are another valuable tool that is available that makes firearm handling and storage safer.